You guys want to see what it looks like? So this morning I'm going to be making a mess of my beautiful blue walls. Sparky was here yesterday trying to do the final few sockets and switches. We found out there was a socket switch missing for the balcony at the back, and they've not brought the socket, the switch out, the hole. And as I was going through the pictures of where these sockets were, I realised that just below it as well, there was going to be two sockets next to each other. They've only brought out one. So there'd be a live cable in the wall there. So, yep, got to have that taken out as well. So I've got to dig 2 holes in my nice blue wall. And then once I've done that, tied it up, it's time to set out for the tiling on the floor, and hopefully, fingers crossed, actually get at least a couple down by the end of the day. I'd quite like to just be cracking on with that this morning, but things happen. So it's building work, what can I say? But anyway, so let's jump in, get it done. Luckily this one was the easy one. I don't know if you can tell. Here goes nothing. Bad day here. Felt good. What can you say? Sometimes an educated guess is all you need. Lovely. Right, let's get a hoover on there. I'm not particularly worried about the level on this floor. It's trying to just double checking how flat the floor is. Don't really want to know. If it's slightly out of level, it wouldn't be too bad. It's just if there's massive dips and humps in it, it would be a problem. But it's a bit high here. Seems pretty, there's a slight slope up that way, but it is a consistent slope, so it shouldn't be an issue, I wouldn't have thought. I mean, I haven't tiled in a very long time, so, and I'm not a master tiler by any stretch of the imagination. I think it's just roughly about 5mm incline in there, but I'll say it's sort of should be all right. It's all pretty uniform, I think. So, I mean, it looks flat to the eye, so shouldn't be too bad. All right. Start the fun of the games. You guys want to see what it looks like? Great reveal time. should use a sharper blade. Alright, here you go, guys. It's alright, I think. But it's nice metre by metre squared tile. Fake marble, obviously. Can't afford the real stuff. We'll chip in that corner there, so let's get that one up against the wall somewhere. But yeah, I might get this pack and the pack underneath open and see what it looks like. See if there's different patterns, because I don't want to end up with patterns next to each other. Right, done for now. Got 5 tiles down, sort of, hopefully. We will see tomorrow if they're still there. I've got to go back to Obi to get the right things because I've got the wrong ones. So I'm having to double up the wedges because they're too small. Problem is I'm reading the packets and I can't understand anything because it's all in Slovakian, so I'm sort of, yeah, I guessed I had the right stuff and I obviously haven't. So yeah, I'm back in the morning to carry on with the tiling in here. Hopefully get all the full tiles done in this part tomorrow, and well, just see how far I can get with all the full tiles, and then just smash out all of the cuts. So hopefully have most of the tiling done by the end of the week, if things go to plan, which in my experience ain't gonna happen. Anyway, yeah, back in the morning. Right guys, back at it again today, and I've got a helper, Freds. Got anything to say?
I'm excited to help you on this project of yours. You need a real strong woman, and I'm here for it.
So as you can see, she's full of crap, and I'll give it 10 minutes and I'm going to be annoyed with her. So, right, let's get some tiles down. Oh. Yes. Right. One at a time. One at a time. Right. Come on this side. Without moving it like that. And what we do is we'll lift it. And you over like that. No, not on the top. Right, I've got this side. Just need you to. Let's see. Move your hand, your left hand, because you're just going to. Right, look where the post is, and don't put your hand where the post is going to go. Push towards me. Right, now push as hard as you can towards me. You can't, can you?